So here we have a vector valued function r, which is a function of the scalar parameter t. We need to determine the vector cross product between the vector r with the first derivative of vector r with respect to t. So let us begin. So here we are provided with the vector r, which is a function of the parameter t. So that's given by t cubed I cap. So t cubed is the x component of the vector, plus 2t cubed minus 1 over 5. So t squared can be written as t raised to the power of negative 2 j cap. So this is going to be the y component of our vector r. So let's label this as equation number 1. So this is given to us. Now we will take its derivative with respect to the scalar parameter t. So that will be equals to, so we have to use the product rule here since we have t cubed times I cube. However, I cap is a constant vector here. So if we take its derivative with respect to t, this will be equals to 0. So same holds true for the unit vector j cap. So that means all we have to do is find the derivative of t cube with respect to t. So that will be 3t squared I cap plus, let's find out the derivative of 2t cubed minus 1/5 t raised to the power of negative 2. So that will be 6t squared. This will become plus 2 over 5 times t raised to the power of negative 3. So here we have used the power rule j cap. So let this be equation number 2. Now what we'll do, we'll take the cross product between vector given in 1 and 2. That means we have our vector crossed with its derivative with respect to t. So that will be equals to, so let's write it down. So now we will take t cube I cap and distribute it with this vector. So this will give us, so we have t cubed times 3t squared. So that will be 3t raised to the power of 5. So that will be I vector crossed with I cap. Plus, we'll take t cube and multiply it to 6t squared plus 2/5 of t raised to the power of negative 3. And we have I cap crossed with j cap. Then next we will take this vector, the 2t cubed minus 1/5 t raised to the power of negative 2 and multiply it to 3t squared, and we have the unit vector j crossed with I cap plus 2t cubed minus 1/5 t raised to the power of negative 2 times 6t squared plus 2/5 t raised to the power of negative 3, and we have unit vector j crossed with unit vector j. Here I cap crossed with I cap, this will go to 0, and the fourth term will also go to 0 because j cap cross j cap, that's equals to 0. So that means we are now left with two terms, and also I cap cross j cap. So this is our vector k cap, and here we have j cap cross I cap. Since we know that our cross product always anti-commute, so this will be negative k cap. So we have our vector crossed with dr over dt. So that will be equals to, so let's multiply t cubed with each of the two terms. So we have 6 t raised to the power of 5 plus 2/5 k cap, and this term will be negative. So this negative comes from negative k cap. So we have 3t squared times 2. So that will be 6t raised to the power of 5 minus 3 over 5 k cap. Now that means we finally get 2/5 minus 2/5. We have minus of minus plus 3/5 because 6 times t raised to the power of 5 gets cancelled, multiplied to k cap. So that's 1. So we have k cap. So we have successfully proved that the cross product between vector r with its first derivative with respect to t, so that's equals to the unit vector k cap. So this is proved.